Hi class, we're just heading into the last week of our class, and we have just one more unit and 4 assignments left for the semester. This unit is our financial literacy unit. And so you'll see the assignment that's due on Wednesday is an introduction to this unit, and it's really important for this unit that you do read the chapter 18 on finance and paying for school, because it really gives you kind of the basis and the information you need for this unit and to do all the assignments. This first assignment is just a short reflection kind of on what you know about financial issues and maybe what you learned during this reading. So that's hopefully a quick assignment. All right, the next is to give you some help on finding readings for this final assignment. And then the final assignment for the unit is to do this short essay, reflective essay on financial literacy. So for this essay, right, you'll be utilizing what you read in chapter 18 of the text. You'll be utilizing the list of readings that I gave you, and maybe additional readings that you find on your own if you find that necessary. So you're going to focus on just one area of financial literacy, either budget, building credit, or paying for college. And then you'll write your reflection on that. For this reflective essay, you want to think about what you already knew about this issue, what you learned and where you learned it, and then at the end, what you still need to learn. It should be written in an essay format, not just paragraphs, and so do an introduction, maybe where you talk about the topic and why it's important and why people should know this. Then you maybe want to have a body paragraph on what you already knew about this issue or how you knew about it, or maybe you didn't know much about it. Then maybe a paragraph about what you learned and talk about and cite sources about where you found the information that you learned. And then maybe a paragraph about what you still need to know, what other people still need to know, and maybe a conclusion paragraph where you talk about why other people should need to know this, and maybe think about that it should echo your introduction. So if you're talking about, I don't know, maybe people need to know this because X number of students are in debt after college. Think about that idea again in the conclusion. All right, so it is about 3 or 4 pages, this essay, probably 3 pages for most of you. And I think that's it. If you have questions about it, as always, set up a time to Zoom with me. Good luck as we go into this last week of the semester. We've almost made it.